Good morning, friends. OME 553 Industrial Safety Engineering, third year, fifth semester, a case study on oil leakage detection using IoT in oil refinery sector. So, this is company name, address, Jamunahar Refinery in Gujarat, India, thrust area, robotics and automation, and robotics and automation, vertical area, smart city. Empathy part, the medium sized refinery can typically process 1 lakh barrel of oil per day. Jamunahar refinery in Gujarat, India. It is compendium of refinery accident data between 1972 and 2011. From the Mars review for 2001 and 2011, it shows that at least 53 major refinery accidents occurred due to the 40 years in period. Finding the source of ignition of catching fire, and 10 employees were killed, and with further 10 employees are injured, uh, and property damage was estimated at 45 billion millions in the market. So this is a empathy part. So that my problem, going to next one problem. A leak of a high pressure oil pipeline can, if it is ignite immediately, produce a jet fires which can impinge of other process plant and escalated to become a large conflagration in a similar fashion to the pipe alpha accident. And an ignite leak of a high pressure oil pipeline can quickly generate a large inflammable cloud which may drift until it finds ignition, so it can then yield a Weber cloud explosion. So a spill of the liquid hydrocarbon value may catch for the fires and yield pool fires. So we have identified some sensors can be used that place. So easily identify the leak and through identify sensors through connect with my computers. That means computers or mobile applications. Easily alert from my employee. After that, employees and employee and nearby the people in the area. This is my problem. So this is my solutions. I'm going to my ideate part. This is oil refinery area. This is my alarm and locating module. Fast fuel sensors interface module, leak detection cables, and end determination area. This jumper cable, we have attached sensors nearby container of oil refinery tank and observe leakages of sensors, and details are sent through mobile application alert from my people and employee and fire stations. The IoT principles using monitoring factory safety measuring using of mobile application. The expert is concerned because the oil pipeline sensors is connected neither to the automated shutdown system for oil pipeline supply, not to alarm, increase the likelihood incidents and potential severity using alarm if any emergency. So alert from the people who live in the factory and nearby the members. So here I have attached the cable nearby pipeline as well as tank, the oil refinery tank. If any leakages identified, the cables can detect immediately, alert from through my mobile application and alert from my fire stations, and immediately come to my place and finishing of the all fires. This is my ideate part. This is my solutions. This is a pipeline connector with the oil tank as well as some other places. This is a torque force strain gauges. This is a dynamic pressure leak sensors, acoustic leak sensors, position transmitter. This is a agitator pressure sensors. This sensor can be used in oil tank inside ground level after outside the area. This IoT principles will be implemented in the factory, easily monitored through the mobile application, rectify the above problem. To implement the sensors in nearby oil pipeline in home or factory, and pressure vessels and monitor and control in computer system. To implement alarm if any emergency, alert from the people who live in the factory and nearby the members. This is my solutions. This is my methodology. Step 1, database collection of all type of oil pipeline area and pressure vessels in oil manufacturing industry. Create the admin and identify number for each and every online oil pipeline and pressure vessels in oil manufacturing industry. Each oil pipeline and pressure vessels and to allocate identify the number for each factory. Identify the leakages using sensors from oil pipeline in factory, and details are updated sent through the mobile application development. After the alert from the member in employee and nearby the members, after the employee must be verified and check the each process vessels and oil pipeline connections in factory, and details are updated and monitored sent through mobile applications. This is the methodology for that one. So methodology, this my methodology represent for the represent in the my areas. This is a database collection all type of oil pipeline and process vessels in factory. Login ID, each line pipeline process vessel to allocate identity number for each factory. Identify the leakage using sensors from oil pipeline in factory, and details are updated sent through mobile application development, and after alert from the members in factory and nearby the members. After the employees must verify and check the each pressure vessels and gas pipelines connection in the factory, and details are updated into the mobile applications. This is my methodology represent in the graphical pictorial representations. This is my benefits. Investing in oil plant safety is a cost effective decision for business leaders who want to manage risk and improve employee morale and reduce the injuries and death in factories, and improve the general oil pipeline and pressure vessels of safety. Alert from employee who live in the factory and nearby the members. This is my benefits. This is my references, and thank you.